Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple heroes on Roblox. First of all, we have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. And now once you're here guys, you have to go to this menu option over here and click on it and just click on Avatar from here to go to Avatar editor. Now if you want to equip multiple heroes, you just need to right click on just click on it here and just click on this here. And you can see that I already equipped multiple hairs right now. So if you want to equip multiple hairs, just need to if I unselect all of them and trying to select two hairs at once, you can see it does not work. So what I need to do is I just need to right click on a new hair, copy the link address, open a new tab, open a new tab, have open a new tab and paste your link over here and just copy the asset type. So friends, yeah, now you have to paste your link address over here. Just copy the numerical and this asset ID from the URL. And once you copy, go back to Avatar page. And here you have to click on this advanced link over here and just paste your asset ID and click on save and save again. After this, you can see that I have cubed multiple 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 hairs already. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.